Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can fix Logitech G435 no sounds issue. If you have no sounds in Logitech G435, just open your PC or laptop and in search bar, just search for device manager. When you search this, just open a device manager. Here you will update your sound drivers. Just click on this sound driver and here click on input and output sounds. Now here you have two options. First of all, click the first one and right click on first one and click on update driver. Then after updating this driver, again go to second one. Just right click on the second one and again click on update driver. After updating these both sound driver, your sound issue will be resolved permanently.